Hey, what's going on, guys? I just got this Wedge pillow set in the mail. I opened it up. I should have showed you how it came before I opened it up, but I just want to show you now. This full set came wrapped up in this little package here, so it was super compressed. So this was the outer package, and then this big part of it here was compressed, like vacuum compressed in this bigger bag. And then now I'll just go ahead and show you the pieces itself. So it's listed as like a 3-piece set, and it is technically. So here's one piece of it here, and then the other piece, or I'll say 2 pieces, they're actually stitched together. So like the back rest and headrest part, they're kind of actually stitched together. So it's called 3 pieces, but you can see it's kind of one piece there. So just wanted to give you a quick look at it. Now the package did say to make sure you leave it to air out to fully decompress for about, I think it was like 2 to 5 days. So this has only been out of the package for about 5 minutes now. So I'll come back and I'll do another video to show you what it's like in a couple days, but just wanted to show you this for now.